Good evening. Today we're going to show you how to put together a Elite Custom Machine 330 Swingarm kit. We're going to show you the process of putting things together, jack shaft, lowering links, and also how to install a Platinum Air Ride bleed feed kit. So we're going to cut and we're going to start putting pieces together one by one, and I'll show you how to do it. First off, we'll show you how we've taken everything apart. As you see, we put everything out, lay it out, just so you know how it goes. This is how your lowering links will look when they're completely done. They come here, piece, take them out the package. You have your center, you have your two ends. You back them off, they spin different ways if you pay attention. If you go this way with this one, it comes forward. You go this way with this one, it goes backwards. And that way it helps you to adjust it as it sits. You can pull it in. I don't know if you can see that. You can pull it in, or you can pull it out. That way you ain't got to do one side and do the other. We'll put this one together. You go that way. This way, we'll go this way.
Counterclockwise.
Yep, clockwise, counterclockwise. That pulls them both in together. Alright. Now, what we'll do is we'll install one. We've already installed our bearings on both sides, top and bottom. We'll take one, stick it in. That way, well, we'll put it to the hole first. Then we'll put the bolt through it, leaving this side flush. Don't put the bolt all the way through. This side, then you push the bolt through. You leave them hanging like that till you get ready to install it onto the motorcycle. Now, we have that done. We're going to go ahead and install the jack shaft. We'll put that in just so you'll see exactly how that goes on. Here, Elite Custom Machine supplies a great jack shaft. It's nice and sturdy. I haven't seen one mess up yet. I've had one on my 300 kit and it works fine. Now, before you install your jack shaft, you're going to need to install your chain guard, because once this jack shaft is in, you won't be able to get to that. But before we go, I want to explain this. On his jack shaft spacers, they have a little lip on both sides. Those lips goes against the bearings on the jack shaft. As you can see on the larger side, same thing. So that's how they go in when you put them in. So I'm gonna just leave it here. We'll take them off like this. Just space them out. That'll be how we go in. So what I'll do is I'll take the screws they supplied off. We've had it powder coated, so it looks nice. Might look different on film, but
What's that called again?
this is the chain guard. Chain guard. He has several different options for these. He also have the options to, what's wrong with that? To have the flat cover that covers the entire jack shaft. Now, one thing I don't recommend is trying to get an air tool or an electric power tool in here, or anything that allows you to get more tension than you need. You just want to get it to it's just snug, and after you get it snug, you want to give it just a little bite. Because once you strip these screws, being they're in such a difficult place, they're in here. And if you want to do anything like powder coat it or take it out and clean it every now and then, which you should do, you won't be able to do that. You have to replace that then. Alright, now I'm going to take off this cover for the outside. This is the cover for the outside, this is the one for the inside. And this is your jack shaft sprocket. What you want to do is you want to stick your sprocket under and inside so you don't damage it. You have your
Under the cover.
under the sprocket cover. Also, before you do that, you want to make sure that you have your large spacer inside. You take your axle for your jack shaft sprocket, stick it through there, let it stay snug, don't let it come out. Put your jack shaft sprocket in, push it through, line it up to where it's even again. Take your small sprocket, stick it down from the bottom, I think it came out of my slot over here. Let me back out a little bit, give that a little wiggle room.
Trying to get the sleeve in there.
Yeah, trying to get that sleeve in there, but I need to. I think we about got it here.
I think you want to put the sleeve in there first. Huh? It's kind of hard to put both of them in there at the same time.
That's what it is, going at an angle. So what we'll do is we'll back it out, back the axle out, and where we go in. Now we'll stick the axle back in.
Oops.
I lost my.
Just lost the sleeve.
Yeah. So we'll try it again. This time we'll go in at an angle again. We'll hold it there. You're probably gonna need some help doing this.
Well, we got to go to a commercial break, so when we come back, we should finish up the rest